Save malfunctioning junk item. Glue type bond. Okay, removed. Peeling off the sticker on the post. Leave it for a while. Okay. 1988. It's Sony. Leaking fluid. Maybe lost capacity.
Mercury.
What's causing it not to save? First measure the battery voltage. Almost 0 volts. Even old ones have over 3 volts, below 3 volts and it can't save. Famicom batteries are mostly max cell, sometimes Sony. Leaking batteries mostly Sony when checked. Were Sony batteries bad performance back then? This is the cause. Opening this one too. Opened another but it's very different. Both are Sony batteries. The dead one about 0 volts. This one? Ha! No way, this one can't save either. This one's also bad, that can't be right. Another old battery has 3 volts. Even more Sony batteries don't last. We found this out. Really or really? Really or really? Does the Sony timer really exist? Both are in a non-saving state. Both are Sony batteries. Over 35 years still has 3 volts, max cell battery. This other one must be bad too. Opening NAMCO is hard, not opening this time, probably a Sony battery. Be careful when buying this software. No longer saves. Buy one with replaced batteries. Corroded. Replated because copper showed. Solder wick. Tin plating done. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
New battery. Sony battery. Pattern peeled off. To avoid this, solidified with zombie fluid. See you. Welcome back. This prevents pattern peeling. Magic liquid. Rust prevention and lubrication. Press reset while turning off. 10 seconds elapsed. Continued. Save function restored. Sony timer deactivated.
Perfect body.